switchback turn signals. Auxito was kind enough to send out turn signal bulbs for the F-150. Doesn't matter if you have a 2014 or a 2015, doesn't matter, it fits for them. This is the 744 3 bulb. This is also the color changing bulb, so it switches to amber whenever you use the turn signal and then switch back to white whenever you're not using the turn signal. Hence the reason why it's called switchbacks. Let's go ahead and open them and see what we got. So here's the box right here. It's a nice little box, like the design on it, like how it looked like it's got a blueprint of a car on there. Let's go ahead and open it. There we go. As you can see, 2 different colors and the white LED. Very well made metal housing. Let's go ahead and install these. All right, so we got both of these trucks here. One has the switchback lights and one does not. This one just has the regular yellow halogen bulbs. As you can see, he does have the LED lights, but he doesn't have the LED turn signal bulbs. This one does. See how it switched back and went right back to white, yellow, and then white. That's what we're going to install on this truck. Now for the different year models, this one's a little bit more difficult than this one, but I will show you how to install this one. So there's 4 bolts that you have to take out, and they're 5.5 millimeter. There's 1, 2, then there's one right up in here. You can't really see it, but it's right on the wheel well. And then you got a couple push pins. You pull that out the way, and then you'll be able to see the back of your turn signal bulbs. This one right here, however, is a lot more simpler. All you have to do is pull this back. Yep, you just pull it back and you can reach your arm around there and actually twist out the bulb. And there you go. And replacing the bulb is just simple as, well, replacing the bulb. They're plug and play, nothing much to it. That's it. And all you have to do is put it back in there and make sure it works. And now we check and see if they work. That's yellow. And look at the white. Definitely a night and day difference. Now that we got this side done, let's go ahead and do the driver's side. We just repeat the same process that we did on the passenger side. And there you have it. Switchbacks, turn signals installed. This will improve your visibility and it just looks nice. Installing these lights, since it's LED, you do have a low frequency light, so it shows the computer that the light bulb is out. Auxito also have load resistors. This tricks the computer to let the computer know there is a load. Auxito will have instructions. If you're still unfamiliar with the instructions, you can contact them and they will help you out installing this. This is a pretty easy install, just 2 wires. You connect to one power wire and then you connect it to the blinker wire for your turn signal. That way, you always have a load on it and it will never show that the bulb is out. So as you can see, Auxito is the way to go. This is a pretty nice product. If you're watching this video, we got a discount code. Discount code is creators. Get you 15% off. Go ahead and get you some LED lights. Bruh. I had to turn my lights back on because my truck wanted to make me look bad. But thank you for watching. Go ahead and check out Auxito. Get you some LED switchback turn signal bulbs.